So Bitcoin is sitting right now at 95,800. It just bounced from the drop that it had. It dropped towards 94,300. It is making attempts to break 95,000. It hasn't happened yet, but by the time you're watching this video, it might happen. Now, of course, we have discussed this in a lot of lengths that if it wants to deliver on this cup and handle, it needs to hold 95,000. It is trying to hold this 95,000 area, but the problem is that it is struggling. So as long as Bitcoin holds 95,000, we can expect it to go towards $100,000, something that is missing. I mean, missing in a sense that it has achieved 99,588. It didn't touch that 100K to give people that overall feeling that 100K is done. That being said, right now, Bitcoin is slowly completing this double top. We have been discussing about this thing since we saw first top. Then we started talking about how the double top would look like. Now, as it is on 4 hours, it is taking its sweet time because it is going to require a lot of candles. And if you ask me where is the neckline for this, it's at your magical neck support of 90K. This is where the next line of support is. If 95 breaks, if you watch my videos, I make 10 videos a day. If you're not subscribed, I feel bad for you. But I make 10 videos and Bitcoin is pretty much a regular video, just like XRP. So with Bitcoin, I have mentioned 3 levels of support. One is at 95, 90 and 85, and after that the 5 game ends. It goes to 74 and then it goes to 50. There is a big drop. In between there is not much. So the moment it loses 74, we are talking about $50,000, which is horrible, but and it's too early to talk about. We are sitting at $95,000 talking about 50. It sounds pretty stupid, but I'm talking about from the perspective of the larger story. It is right now at 95, which is an extremely bullish case scenario. It doesn't need any more support than this to stay extremely bullish. But the thing is that as it loses its areas, the bullishness reduces. It stays bullish up to the level of 74. So that's still bullish because it's a drop of 26%, which is okay. It's a retracement of 26%, but from downward it is a retracement of 52%, which is crazy. But anyway, Bitcoin has one clear double top in the making. Now, if this thing happens, then the neckline, and that's 98, neckline is 8, and that's a drop of 8,000. So from 90, it will not stop at 85. Damn. Okay. 85 would be in a bit of trouble, but for that, this neckline needs to break. The moment this neckline breaks, our last hope would be 85, and we would pray that that holds. We would pray as in, I don't know if I'm going to participate in praying, but that is something that would happen. Right now, there is nothing else to add to Bitcoin, to be very frank with you. The only thing that people expect from Bitcoin is to hold on to the area of this range, so people could continue to enjoy it, because this consolidation is what helps the rest of the market with its rally. And the upper trend, if you look at it on a daily, it hasn't broken. If I draw a line here, it is still staying above the upper trend. It is still climbing up, but the moment it starts delivering on this double top, starts going down, the uptrend line breaks, and this would be a clear indication of an F structure. It's a structure that I came up with on my own. I chose the middle name of mine and I started calling it F. Generally, when you have rallies crazy like this, then it starts creating an F and it starts going down. The minimum requirement for F is generally 30%. and the most I have seen is 50%. But the thing is that even at 30%, it should still stop. It should still stop based on the F structure. It should still stop at 85. So from all angles, if you look at it, 85 looks like a very, very, very good support to hold on to. It doesn't look like something that would lose battle easily, and Bitcoin will lose it just like that. And it has not happened yet, by the way. Bitcoin has seen 90K only once, and it is continuously living above 95K. So Bitcoin is continuously living in a super bullish case scenario. There is no more bullishness than holding on to 95K. As long as 95 holds, we keep our story of 100K alive. The moment we break 100, we are talking about 120, not 105, 110, nothing. We are straightforward going towards $120,000 because in between areas they don't make sense. But if we are not able to hold on to 95, then we have to start talking about the downward journey that I have discussed already. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.